So in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your self-service portal according to your branding. So the first things first is you need to log into your Zoho Desk and then click on the setup. Under channels, look for the help center. Here, just click that one. Then here you can change your logo. You can add your company logo and a favicon. So you can just follow this dimensions to get the proper format. Then you can change your URL, your help center name, your portal name, so on. Then you can get to the other stuff here. So if you go under customizations here, you can select multiple templates. So for example here, I have here is a classic, so I can just click preview. Then I can, if I'm satisfied with this, I can just say publish it. But if you want if some of this does not match your branding, you can just customize this one. So you just click on customize here, and then here you can change the appearance. So you can change your font to this from it can be Arial, Georgia, Helvetica, Sans Serif, or Tamar Verdana. You can choose, or you can choose default. You can also add a background to the body like that. You notice here. Then if you want to change the header, you can if you want to change if you want to use an image just like this, you can follow this dimension, 12,000 by 630 pixels. So the maximum file size is 1 MB. You can upload that and that it will automatically change. Or if you want to change it into a solid color, just tick this radio button, then you can select your color. So let's say I want to change it to bright red. Then I want to change the text into to yellow, like that. You can do that here. Then after the tabs here, you can also change the tabs, background color, and then the opacity. Then in the navigations here, you can change your the text color. You can change it to whatever you like. Then if the hover, so if we hover to the each tab in the navigation, you can change that color, turn it into something yellow. Then if selected something like this, we want to change that. We want to use that. Let's use this. Selected. Let's try using this. So we get matching colors. Then the border we want, we can also use this color or something like that here. So you see, you can open. You have changed the navigation colors. Then for the breadcrumbs, we can also change that, the background, the text color, and then the hover text. I'm not sure if I can show you here. So here, this is the breadcrumbs. So we can change this into something that we like. There. Then we can change the text. Then the hover text there. So if we hover, you can see it changes colors. But let's try using default. Let's turn this back into black. But yeah, you can do something like that. So when you hover, you will see the changes there. So this is for links. So if you have a link like this, so if we change this hover text, it will change colors. Let me show you something a little bit obvious. See, changes colors. You can also change their normal text for color. See, they just see how it changes colors. Like that. Then the buttons, they're pretty much the same with the rest of this. So the buttons, let's look for a button. Go home. I think this one's a button. So if we don't have a button here, not sure if this would work, but let me try on this one. So the primary text color, yeah, it's not the button. Let me, yeah, let's check on the sign up. So if we change the colors, same with the previous ones, the button colors changes as well. So if we change this into something red, let's use red. Then secondary button into something yellow. Then let's change this to black. There. And then the footer. Lastly is the footer. So we can change the footer colors, the text, the link color, and the link hover. So that's pretty much it in the appearance. If you want, we can also update this using HTML. So this is pretty much a more of an easy way to change the appearance of our customize our portal, but we can also do the HTML as well as the CSS. We can also change the visibility of our tabs. We can reorganize this. You can see, let me try that again. See, changes that. You can also set the ticket as a default. So when the customers enters the system, this will be, the portal, this would be the default page. So you can next is the widget. So you can add widgets to our portal, something like this. Something like this, the particular articles and so on. Here, so if we go to the home page, I want to add this widget. Sorry. I see. Just need to click and drag. Sorry, the widget cannot be added. So let's try removing this one, then adding back. So let's say you have this widget here. You have created you have defaults and then your custom widgets. What you can do is that you just need to click on the widget, then drag it here to the portal, like that. And then you can save this as draft if you don't want to send it to the live. You just need to save it as draft. Then let's go back to manage widget. Let me just see something here. Let's try this one. If we go home, let's try related articles. So article details. Yeah, so that's how you customize your server's portal. So once you're done, you can just click preview, so you get a better picture of what it would look like. So you can do the tablet view, then we have a smartphone view, then we have the computer view. Then if you're satisfied with this, just publish this directly, then that would automatically publish into your portal, and yeah, and then your portal would look like this. So yeah, so that's it. So that's how you customize your self-service portal branding. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Hi, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to add as well as remove users from the portal. So first things first is you need to go to your Zoho Desks, then go to setup, click the help center under the channels, then scroll down and look for the users. Here you can see you have two active users right now. 2 are invited and then there's no deactivated. So to add a user to our portal, we just need to click this button, invite users, then add the emails, there, then click invite, send invite, then that invitation has been sent. So if you go to the invite, I have another one here, one invited. Then in that user, once that user accepts the invite, he or she will not be able to have access to the portal. Next is how can we remove a user from the portal. So let's say this user is should no longer have access to the portal. What we can do is just click on the deactivate. So in case that users come back or will be able to have access to the portal again, we can reactivate it. So you just need to click this, deactivate, then there, that user is now being deactivated. He should not have access to the portal now, but we can activate this to add him back. Next, we also have the delete. This pretty much removes his access to the portal, so you cannot have deactivate or restore this, so be careful in this one. So if you want to permanently remove this user, you just need to click delete, but if you want to temporarily deactivate the user account, you just need to click deactivate. So let's try to delete here. So before you deleted the user, so if they have tickets or community force or knowledge based on feedbacks, those data would be need to be added to it can be anonymous or nickname, since we're going to remove the user's account. there, then just click delete. Once that's done, that user is no longer able to access the portal. And if in some cases they have already raised tickets as well as add posts or comments in the community, the portal, then whatever we set up, it can be anonymous or the nickname, those would be displayed to those tickets or those posts. So let's try going to my here. I have this account, so let's refresh this. So you can see I was forced log out since I don't have the access anymore. So let's try. Let's try. Then save. It's invalid username or password, so I can no longer access the portal since I was removed in the system. So yeah, so that's how you pretty much how you add or remove users from the portal. Please like and share and subscribe for more how-to videos for Zoho Desks. Thank you. Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how we can share as well as restrict access of our articles in the self-service portal. So first things first is you need to log into your Zoho Desk and then go to the knowledge base. So if you already have an existing knowledge base that you want to share to your customers, you just need to open that knowledge base or article and then click on edit. There you have here under on the right side you have the display permission. So you have three options here. You have agents only, meaning only this article is for internals only, so you're not customers will not be able to see these articles. Then we have registered users, so customer can see our registered customer from the portal will be able to see this article. And then we have all users, meaning it is open for public, so even if the user is not registered or signed in, they'll be able to access these articles. So let's try this one. So let me just cancel this and return it to the original. So it's a registered users only, so let's move it to all users, then click publish. So you can see now if we go to the portal and click refresh, here you can see the article. Even though if I am not signed in yet, I'm able to see the article. Let me just click on that here. Now if we go back to here, let's edit this and try to only the agents only permission, then click save or publish. Then let's go back to the portal, then click refresh. As you can see, the article is no longer accessible. So even if you go through here, you'll not be able to see the article. And for the registered user, the customers need to sign up or unsign in to be able to access those articles. So yeah, so that's how you restrict access to certain knowledge base articles. So if you find this video helpful, please click like and share and subscribe for more how-to videos. Thank you.